See friends, in this session we will discuss some other different problems given in the competitive exams. See friends, this type of problems also definitely will come in the exams. First we have to understand the problem. Out of 100 students, 40 students passed in physics and 30 students passed in chemistry. See friends, what it has given? There are total 100 students. Out of 100 students, 40 students passed in physics and 30 students passed in chemistry. If 18 students passed in both the subjects, see friends, what he has given? 18 students passed in both the subjects. Then what is the number of the students failed in both the subjects? See friends, what he has asked? The number of the students failed in both the subjects. See friends, total number of the students how much? Total number of the students how much? 100. Then see friends, this type of problem we will go like this. You circle one. This is the chemistry. Sorry, physics. Total number of the students passed in physics equal to 40. Then again you will draw another circle. This is chemistry. How many students passed in chemistry? 30 students. See friends, what he has given? 18 students passed in both the subjects. That means both the subjects passed are 18 students. See friends, this is represents total number of the students passed in physics. This represents total number of the students passed in chemistry. See friends, what is this portion? The students passed only in physics. This portion. This portion, the students passed only in chemistry. See friends, how much? Only passed 40 minus 18. That means 22. This 22 only passed in physics. See friends, here this portion only passed in chemistry. So only passed chemistry how much? 30 minus 18 equal to 12. See friends, he has given total number of the students is 100. Out of 100, 40 passed in physics, 30 passed in chemistry and 18 passed in both. By using this one, we can calculate the number of the students passed only in physics, that is 22. See friends, here 18 plus 22 how much? 40. Here the number of the students passed only in chemistry is 12. So 12 plus 18 equal to 30. The total number of the students passed in chemistry. Now we will come to the answer. What is the number of the students failed in both the subjects? See friends, total number of the students how much? 100. Here total passed students how much? 22 only passed in physics plus 18 passed in both subjects plus 22 passed in only chemistry. This is the total number of the students passed in the examination. How many? 22 plus 18, 40 plus 12, 52. So total number of the students failed means failed students equal to total number of the students minus total number of the students passed. See friends, total number of the students how much? 100 minus total number of the students passed 52. Then this is 48. See friends, total number of the students given 100. Out of 100, 40 passed in physics, 30 passed in chemistry, and in both physics and chemistry 18 are passed. By using these three, we can calculate the number of the students passed only in physics and only in chemistry. Here see 40 minus 18, 22. 22 passed only in physics. Here 12 passed only in chemistry. So these are the total number of the students passed. 22 plus 18 plus 12 equal to 52. This is the total number of the students passed. So failed students equal to total number of the students minus total number of the students passed. So 48. So 48 are the students failed in the class. See friends, next problem. In a community, 40% of people are affected by skin diseases, 30% by digestive disorders, and 10% by both diseases. Find the percentage of people not affected by both diseases. See friends, same problem. In a community, 40% of people are affected by skin diseases. That means 40% affected by skin diseases and 30% affected by digestive disorders and 10% by both diseases. What he is asking, find the percentage of people not affected by both the diseases. See friends, first we will go for a circle. It is skin diseases. How much percentage? 40%. Then go for another circle. How much? What is this one? Digest. That is 30%. Both how much? 10%. Only skin disease how much? 40 minus 30. Only skin diseases. Only digestive 30 minus 10, that is 20. So these are the people affected by both diseases. That means how much? 30 plus 10, 40 plus 20, 60. So total people affected equal to 60. Then this is 60%. Then what he has asked, find the percentage of the people not affected by the diseases. See friends, not affected by the diseases, not affected equal to how much? Total how much? 100%. Minus affected people how much? 60. So this is 40%. 40% of the people not affected by both the diseases. See friends, first we have to calculate like this. How many affected due to skin diseases? How many affected due to digestive disorders? So 30%, 40%. Both affected is 10%. Here we have to calculate only affected due to skin allergy means total affected skin diseases minus both diseases. We will get only skin diseases. Here also only digestive disorders. So total we have to calculate this total equal to this means total affected people. That means 60%. What he has asked, not affected people. So total people minus affected people, that is equal to 100 minus 60, 40.